Hey, Vision AutoWorks here, showing our LED sequential switchback side markers for E9X M3. Unlock, lock, unlock, started up. So you can see the side markers are in white. Start up with the car. Turn signal function. Back to white. I'm going to turn the hazard. Hazard's on. So we have coded the Euro hazards, so they blink a little fast, which is why the side marker is not as fully in sync with the front halos. But if you have the US spec, it will be perfectly in sync. So just note that if you have Euro hazards coded, you'll get 2 blinks of your hazards in front and only 1 cycle of the side markers. So we're going to cut the hazards off. It's going to go back to white, and we're going to show you that you can also enable or disable the white mode entirely through the iDrive, just by going into settings, lighting, and disabling DRL. So we just disabled the DRL function in the iDrive. So our headlights and the sequential side marker both respond to this OEM, the OEM iDrive setting. So if you want to drive around more low key, don't have the white light visible, it's simply disabled through iDrive. We're going to enable it one more time. And as you can see, the custom headlights we have are on as well, with the demon eyes and the halos. You can order the side markers at visionautoworks.com. These are built on brand new OEM LED assemblies that we modify, or you can supply your own, and of course we'll have the price adjusted accordingly. Thanks.